Hi guys, Letitia here, one of the owners of Level Up Custom Designs Plus, and today I will just be sharing with you some new items we have received in stock. So stay tuned.
Get your level up. Every day, man, level up, level up, level up, level up. You're not upon my level, so just level up.
Okay, so the first item I will be showing you is our keychain, and it says Mom. Okay, let me take this. So this is what it looks like. So this one is in black with glitter. It says Mom, comes with 3 tassels, and it's gold. Key ring. Okay. So, and they're acrylic keychains. So this should be on our website live right now. And this color was black. We also have it in the color gray, rose, or peach. I think more rose to me. And in blue. Okay. So we have the Mom keychains in stock, available year-round, not just on Mother's Day. So if you want to give a gift to your mom, your wife, girlfriend, friend, sister, you can do that. Okay. The next item we received was another keychain, and this one is wooden. Okay. So these can be personalized. Now the Mom keychains cannot be personalized, but this one can be. So we can include a quote here for you, or someone's name, whoever you want to give it to. All right. We also have our Father's Day gift sets, which includes this keychain, and you can also use Father's Day gift sets for your husband's birthday, or your dad or your brother or whatever. So they're available year-round as well. So okay, next we have this Purple Haze tumbler. So this comes in 12 ounces. It is double wall stainless steel tumbler, okay? And as you can see, it doesn't have a latch to close the slot. So honestly, I'd more recommend this for cool drinks versus something hot like coffee, because the heat will escape quicker because there's no latch. So that is our next item, Purple Haze 12 ounce stainless steel double wall tumbler. Next we have our glitter rose gold 20 ounce tumbler. It is also double wall, vacuum sealed, vacuum insulated, sorry. Okay, so you can put hot liquids in this one and it will stay warm and nice. This is the lid for it. It screws in and it has a latch, which is perfect if you have coffee. So you just let that down and it locks. Okay, and then it's a screw on top, so you screw it on. And here, this is glitter rose gold. You can see a little bit of glitter in here. Okay, and it can be customized to your liking. And it also comes with a straw as well. Okay. Okay, next up is this tumbler. it is matte rosewood. Stainless steel, double wall insulated. Okay, so the color is matte, hence it being a little bit, you know, like dull. And it's also a scoop on top, and it also has the latch to close it. Okay, and it's in 20 ounces as well. So as this one as well can be customized to your liking, whatever you want it to be. Again, whatever you want, you let us know which color, and we put whatever you desire on there for you. All right, and it also comes with a straw as well. Okay, next item is this lovely kids tumblers. Great for school. So it is a double wall insulated, BPA free, food grade. Okay, it's good for both hot and cold liquids. Just ensure that it is secured by closing this latch, making sure you hear that click, and that will let you know that it's secure. But this is how the mechanism is here. Perfect for the kids to drink from, and it's easy to hold. You can just hold it like this. Okay, and this color is Pink Magic. So you can see that little rainbow sparkle in there. Perfect for the little girls. And we also have it in matte black. Okay, matte black, and they're both 12 ounces. So this is the same, up, down. All right, so there you have all the tumblers. Next we have these freezy holders. Okay, freezy holders. So the kids want freezies. It's super for their hand. You just shove it in here, and this can be customized to have anything you want, the kid's name or a nice quote or anything that you desire. Okay, and this is also available in other colors. As with everything else that I've showed you so far, they are available in other colors that will be getting in stock soon. So just make sure you follow our pages on Instagram and Facebook, Level Up Custom Designs Plus, so you can continue to see our updates as it goes along. Okay, last but not least, we have this simple bag. It's like a beach. It can be a beach bag. It is a beach bag, but I mean, you can still use it any day, right? Don't limit yourself. So it's in pink and white. We can also customize this for you to what you like it to be. So it also comes with a zip, so it's not just an open up beach bag. So zip it here. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it does have a small zipped pocket on the inside as well, and it's just one big compartment, so you can store a lot of things in here. It's actually very big. Right? So okay, so let's do a quick recap. So I have showed you our freezy holders available right now in yellow. Okay, and you saw the beach bag, the keychain opener, the lovely mom keychain. This one is my favorite, the black. I love the black. Purple Haze tumbler. I love the purple. Anybody else love purple? Because I do. So this is the Purple Haze stainless steel tumbler. Okay, perfect for cold drink. The matte rosewood stainless steel tumbler, perfect for hot or cold drinks. Also, the glitter rose gold stainless steel tumbler, and it also comes with a straw, perfect for hot or cold drinks. We have the kids tumbler, okay, in matte black, 12 ounces, as well as pink magic, 12 ounces. Okay, so that was just a small recap, guys. Be sure to follow our pages, Instagram and Facebook, Level Up Custom Designs Plus, to continue to see any updates of new products, new items that we get in store, as well as checking out our website to see all these lovely things that you can purchase at any time. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.